Well, morning of day 2. Again, it was a torrential downpour all night again, which seems to be a lot more common, especially this summer in the Adirondacks. Feeling pretty good from yesterday, a little bit sore, a little bit stiff, but overall not too bad for 8.5 to 9 miles for the hike. See how I feel today. Maybe go out and crank out something easier, 6 to 7 miles again. Don't really want to spend too much time hiking around the rain clouds, so maybe I'll do something a little shorter on level ground, much prettier views. Alrighty, day 2, back in the woods. Decided to do Hopkins. Summits are supposed to be really nice. Not too bad, it should only be about 6 miles. So a couple hours up. Hopefully I can get to see some good views. Go nice and slow. Feel pretty good. Sure, it'll take a while for the legs to get warmed up, as it's already going up, and maybe raining outside, but inside the canopy here, not really getting drenched, which is nice. So just keep going where I'm till we're there. moving along at a good pace here. Nothing too fast. Trail is much nicer though, when compared to yesterday's herd path up street. Much more defined. I'm not getting soaked by all the moisture and rain coming off the trees when I rub up against them, which is nice. It's been just a good, easy, moderate elevation. Nothing too steep the entire way so far, but legs are nice and warm. Lungs are nice and warm. Feel good. And if I can get out here and do this, anybody can. And there's no time. I'm not trying to set any type of record pace. It's only me against me. That's it.